Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to scan a mechanical part. I have nothing for this part except the part itself and the customer asked me to. Reverse engineer it to give him the measured and checked part. So this won't be a single video, it will be a series of several videos because otherwise it would be very long. Scanning with a few little tricks that I want to show you, a few small steps forward that I have made Ecam, a measurement detection with Revopoint and re-engineering with a 3D drawing software. In this case I will use Fusion 360. So, first of all with the software, I got the wrong screwdriver, let's start well. With the software, A. With the hardware, let's say, when you buy a Revopoint MetroY you are given a rotary table. A rotary table that has a diameter of 200 millimeters. I have created 4 sectors with my 3D printer. I'm going to screw them into 4 M6 threaded holes that are present on the table and I double the size of my table. The advantage is not so much that you can put heavier pieces in, because anyway, I don't remember, it says it has to be a couple of kilos, not more, but that you can extend the marking and so it helps me a lot. I also printed out a small black clamp, then I'll decide whether to mark it or not, which can help me when I go to scan rings and I want to put them vertically. These are all things that I recommend you do. Normally, those who have a scanner also have a printer. As for this beautiful rotary table, in the accessories you'll find dual-axis turnable connection, you have 2, the large one that is not included is an optional, you can decide whether to buy it or not and you connect the small one. And once connected you can open the settings. Then skip, I open settings. Here you can start it with your side handle and increase or decrease the speed considerably. You can also tilt it so that when you use the scanner with the stand you can gradually use it and tilt it. As you can see, I also added some side markers that will help me. Restore it to normal conditions.